Hi, it's Eng here. Welcome to my presentation. Today, I'm going to share with you the top secrets of how you can actually get an accounting job in a public accounting firm or a CPA firm with no experience required. So you have been actually looking for a job, right? And you can't get it because probably, everywhere you go, they probably say, you don't have experience. So if you don't have experience, then you can't get a job. And if you can't get a job, then you're not going to have the experience. So it's catch-22. So it's insane. I mean, how are you going to get a job if nobody actually give you a chance to actually, give you the job to actually have the experience? So in this presentation, I'm actually going to show you or personally show you the top secrets of how you can actually get an accounting job in the public accounting firm with no experience required. So would you like to know that? Okay, so before I actually share that with you, I'm going to tell you a bit about myself. And you probably can actually, for my story, if you listen carefully, then you probably can actually find out that how I actually get into the CPA firm or chartered accounting firm and how I actually get my first job. So, who am I? My name is Eng Sivyang. And I am the CEO and founder of TMS Financial Services Firm. And what we do is we actually look after the investors, small business, individuals, and we're doing more into compliance work like tax and accountings and also financial plannings and settlement super funds. So I am a certified practicing accountant and a registered tax agent, a licensed financial advisor, and a settlement super fund specialist. And you're probably wondering, oh my goodness, how can I actually have that many qualifications? I'm actually going to share you my story and you will find out. I am also an entrepreneur, and yes, I am a business owner. So I own my own business with my husband. So we actually start up this business together, and I'm a mother of 3 beautiful children. And I have been in this financial industry for more than 26 years. It's been a long, long time. But if you actually follow what I'm actually about to tell you, you actually don't need to have 26 years to get to where I am today. You can actually get there more faster. And I'm going to show you the way how you can actually get there faster by sharing my, things like I did that you should be avoid. So listen carefully, okay? And I actually have my own accounting practice for over 19 years now. And guess what? English is not my first language. It's actually my 6th. I can speak Mandarin, I can speak Chinese, Cantonese, Teochew, Lao, Thai, and English. So if any of you that listening to me right now and you find a little bit difficult of understanding me, I apologize for that. But I'm actually trying my best to pronounce, to actually correct my accents here. So I hope you can understand me, but just listen to the message and listen to the things that I'm about to share with you, okay? So I was born in Laos. For some of you, you probably don't know where's Laos because a lot of people don't know where's Laos. Laos is actually near Thailand. And I was born in Luang Prabang, and Luang Prabang is actually a very beautiful state or country, whatever you call it. And it's a rainforest country, and it's got waterfall. It was so beautiful, and I love it. I went back 4 times already, and I love Luang Prabang. It's a beautiful place. And my parents are Chinese. They actually came from China. So I was born in Laos. And they actually have a business in Laos. So I was actually grow up there. And I came to Sydney when I was age 14. So when we came to Australia as a refugee, so at that time, we don't have anything. And we can't even speak English. So I could not speak a word of English. And we had no money. So when I first came to Australia, I can't even, spell ABCD. I have to start everything from alphabet. It was really, really hard for me. But guess what? I was graduate from Macquarie Uni and got my accounting degree within 7 years that I'm in Australia. So I came to Australia in 1978. So I was graduate from Macquarie Uni in 1985. So within just the 7 years, from no English background to be able to get my accounting degree, I mean, can you imagine how hard I actually have to work? And not only that, I studied very hard, but I also worked very hard as well, because at that time my parents doesn't have money, and we live very far away, like from Macquarie Uni. And every day, if I have to travel to uni, I have to travel like at least 2 hours, and it was really time wasted. And plus, I have to work part-time and so forth. So I actually have to move out and living away from home. So I have to pay my own rent, pay my own living expense, and pay my own costs, my education, my textbook, and so forth. So it was really, really not easy. But I managed to actually finish it and get my degree. So when I had my degree, I was so happy. I said, that's it, I got it, now everything should be fine. So I got my degree on my one hand and I got the hope on the other, and I started looking for accounting job. And at that time, I did not know how to put my resume or my, to write a covering letter to apply for jobs. And everywhere that I apply for a job, what I get is like, the result that I get, it was like, I'm sorry, you don't have enough experience. And then I repeat the whole process again. So I apply everything that I can see from the that I actually found from the newspaper. I remember every Saturday it was like a job. There's a job sections of accounting jobs. So I just write to everywhere that I can, but all I get is just the same result. It just keeps saying, I'm sorry, we are looking for more experienced person. And so after 7 months after I graduate, and I still can't get a job, and I keep getting the same feedback, like, I'm sorry, we're looking for someone with more experience, and again, and I was so sick of it. Like, I keep receiving this rejection phone calls and letters, and it's really depressed me, and I lost my confidence. I totally lost my confidence. I thought, I got my degree, I should be able to get a job, but everywhere I go they just say, sorry, you don't have experience, we can't give you a job. So I was really depressed because I don't know how to start, because I cannot get a job without experience, and I cannot get experience without a job, and it's just insane. Like, that's why I actually put this video together. It's actually for you, because I understand exactly how you feel at the moment, how frustrated you are that you could not get a job and nobody actually give you a chance to actually get started. So if you listen to my video and you actually listen to the end, I'm actually going to give you an opportunity, and I'm going to tell you how you can actually get started. I'm going to help you with that, because I understand exactly where you are at the moment, because I was there 26 years ago. Please continue watching video 2 if you want to find out the secrets of how you can actually get an accounting job in the public accounting firm with no experience and no special skills required. So I'll see you in video 2. Thank you.